Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2025 or 2026 GMC Terrain with the digital rear view mirror, and you've noticed this little notch sticking out right here with your camera, and you're wondering, what is that? That's a camera washer. Let me show you how that works. If you turn your digital rear view mirror on and it's dirty, you just can't see back there for whatever reason, here's what you need to do. You're going to come right here to your turn signal lever, and right behind this area, you're going to feel a control right there. There it is. All you have to do is push up on that, and there is what is going to happen. That is your rear camera washer. Some of you might have known that was there, and some of you might not. You don't have to do anything other than use it. It's there for your convenience. I hope that helps somebody out. If there's a tutorial you would like to see on the GMC Terrain or anything else, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.